This week on the Daily Eco, we introduce you to Caraway, a medicinal plant that can improve your health in a natural way. In this video, we show you its properties, what it is used for, and what are its contraindications. Finally, we also explain how you can prepare it at home. So, let's get started. Properties of Caraway. Caraway seeds have been and still are used in traditional medicine to relieve ailments and diseases. The seeds of this plant possess analgesic, antiseptic, tonic, digestive, carminative, and antiparasitic properties. What is caraway used for? Taking this plant can provide relief from digestive problems and disorders, stomach heaviness, stomach parasites, colic, and even combat food intolerances depending on the type of food taken. It also helps in the elimination and accumulation of gases and avoids the unpleasant feeling and discomfort of a swollen belly. On the other hand, thanks to its antispasmodic properties, it is also used to prevent cramps and muscle pain. It has a slight relaxation effect that soothes and relaxes the muscles. In addition, caraway stimulates appetite, improves respiratory diseases such as bronchitis and asthma, fights migraines, prevents bad breath, and helps heal burns and disinfect minor wounds. It is also used to relieve toothache and menstrual cramps. Finally, in recent years, many people have used caraway for its diuretic and carminative properties to lose weight and reduce swelling. How to take caraway? We can find it in the form of seeds, capsules, ointments, and oil in herbal stores and pharmacies. It is recommended to take the teas after meals, and they can be combined with other plants such as chamomile, peppermint, and fennel. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. By what other name is caraway known? Magical herb, meridian fennel, cumin. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to prepare a caraway infusion. To prepare an infusion or tea, you just need to follow these steps. First, boil 2 glasses of water and turn off the heat after a minute or 2. 2. Add a tablespoon of the seeds of this plant or the mixture you want to prepare. 3. Let it steep, covered, for at least 10 minutes. 4. Filter the infusion and drink it when it's still a little hot. Contraindications of caraway. We advise you to always contact your family doctor before taking it on your own. It is not advised to be taken during pregnancy or lactation. It is also contraindicated for children and people who are allergic to any of the ingredients. Due to the oils it contains, excessive consumption can lead to a mild addictive effect, so it should always be taken in moderation. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. Caraway is also known as meridian fennel. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have or want to take this medicinal plant, and see you next time.